Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how can you download WPS Office. So for downloading it, click on Window key and then search here Microsoft Store and then open it. And then search here WPS Office. And then click on WPS Office Suite. And then click on Get. And then just wait. So it is getting ready. Checking dependencies. Preparing to download. So just wait. It will take some time to install according to your internet speed. So now you can see the WPS Office Suite has been installed. Now click on Open and just wait. So click on Agree and Continue. So I want to click it No and then cut it. And now you can start using WPS Office. So if you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.